Hey everybody, David Kino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, February 19th. Basically, I want to stress that this market really is in consolidation. I know we're slightly negative today, but it's basically the undoing of the bullishness from yesterday. You can see tomorrow we have GDP and PCE coming in. GDP gives us a reading on the strength of the economy, and PCE is the most important inflation reading that the Federal Reserve uses, and will give us some good insight as to what the market and what the Fed is going to be looking at going into the next Fed meeting. Okay, so that has led to this pullback. So again, this pullback is just a retracement of that bounce. So here's the bounce, all creating the low. Here's a pullback, roughly 50%, almost 618. And we're kind of rebounding back up now. We're just under the 8 and the 50-day EMA, and normally this type of consolidation type pattern, again, you can kind of see it running through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, touching the 68.50 price. And we have some moves above, moves below, but in general, right around 68.50. And if we stay right around here until the close, this is where we're going to be when we get that news pre-market with GDP and PCE. And at that point, we could break higher or lower in either direction, but it's all about the market's reaction to that news tomorrow. So be aware of it. Okay? Thanks a lot.